If Apex Legends keep giving you error code 100, don't panic. This is usually easy fix. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection. Most error 100 issues are network related. Step 2. Clear the game cache. On PC, use the Origin or Steam repair tool to fix corrupted files. On console, restarting the game or reinstalling often helps. Step 3. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Apex Legends. Add exceptions if needed. Step 4. Check EA server status. Sometimes error 100 is on their end, so verify before doing major troubleshooting. Step 5. Update your graphics and Windows console firmware. Outdated software can cause persistent errors. Bonus tip, if nothing works, flush your DNS on PC, open command prompt and type ipconfig/flush DNS. It often fixes lingering connection errors. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.